I always get comments on my hydroponic videos saying that hydroponic vegetables are less nutritious than soil-grown vegetables. The idea is that hydroponic solutions don't contain all the micronutrients found in the soil, which supposedly makes the vegetables less healthy. So today, I'm going to compare the nutrient content of two lettuce plants, one grown in soil and one grown hydroponically, to see if that's true. Plants get their nutrients as dissolved minerals. In soil, roots pull nutrients from organic matter and minerals as they break down. In hydroponics, those same nutrients are supplied directly through the water solution. Modern hydroponic mixes include not just the big three, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, but also calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, and other trace elements. Since plants make their own vitamins, like vitamin C, as long as they get the right minerals, their vitamin levels are the same no matter how they're grown. In fact, hydroponics can deliver nutrients with precision. One study even found that lettuce grown with the right nitrogen balance in hydroponics produced more chlorophyll and biomass than soil-grown lettuce. When scientists have compared nutrient levels, the results consistently show hydroponic crops are not deficient. Nutrition experts like NYU professor Marion Nessel confirm that hydroponic greens fall within normal ranges, and some studies even report higher levels of vitamin A and C in hydroponic lettuce compared to field grown. Tomatoes grown hydroponically have also shown equal or higher antioxidants and minerals. The big advantage is control. Hydroponic growers can adjust the nutrient mix to get the best results. One interesting study in 2021 compared the same lettuce grown in soil and hydroponics under identical conditions. The researchers found that vitamin and antioxidant levels were basically the same when measured on a dry weight basis. The only difference was that hydroponic lettuce held more water, which made it look slightly less nutrient dense per bite. But once dried, both were nearly identical. So the bottom line is, there's no nutritional penalty to growing without soil. The idea that hydroponics lacks micronutrients is a myth because growers can add whatever minerals the plant needs. Small differences like soil-grown lettuce, sometimes showing higher antioxidants, are due to water content or stress, not missing nutrients. So, are you going to try hydroponics in the future? If so, let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, hit subscribe, and as always, happy growing.